Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring both arms to find the real gap. Use a 5-8 rep max or a controlled tempo test. Once you know the weaker biceps, begin each session with that arm because it benefits from fresh strength and neural focus. Make sure to add 5 to 2 kilograms increments when progress stalls, and keep sets symmetric only after the weak side completes its work. This sets the foundation for targeted adaptation and reduces compensation immediately. You now adjust volume and technique to drive balanced hypertrophy. Emphasize unilateral work like dumbbell and concentration curls, so each biceps must handle its own load. Once done, maintain slow eccentric phases of 3 to 4 seconds and full range of motion to maximize muscle damage and control. Make sure you avoid shoulder swing that masks weakness. Add roughly 10 to 20% more effective sets or reps to the weaker side each week until the strength and size gap narrows. You finish by consolidating gains with consistent progression and recovery. Track reps, weight, and perceived effort for each arm so you can make precise incremental increases. Then prioritize recovery. Aim for protein between 1.6 and 2 grams per kilogram, quality sleep, and 48 to 72 hours between intense arm sessions. If you hit a plateau, deload 1 week or switch to tempo and pause reps to break technical or neural stalls. This troubleshooting keeps progress consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.